Hello everyone, this is my first video on this channel. In this video, we learn how to recover our crashed data from desktop or laptop using Kali Linux. First, we need a pen drive to create the pen drive bootable. We use Rufus or Ventoid to create bootable. Here I am using Rufus. Let's download Rufus. Open any browser to download. I had already downloaded. Now open Rufus. Plug your pen drive in your PC and select the pen drive. I am using Syndex 32 GB pen drive. You can use another one. Select the pen drive and after that select disk or ISO image. Then click on select button. You can browse here or download it, but I have already downloaded it from Chrome and you can download it from the link given below in the description box. Select the ISO image and click on start button. Allow all the permission and it will take some time to process it. Let it be done. After creating bootable, plug the bootable pendrive in PC or desktop from which you want to recover crash data. Restart the PC and open boot menu by pressing boot key. Now select pendrive and launch the Kali Linux. It will take few minutes to launch until we can wait. Here you can see our desktop is loading. See, you can see Kali Linux loading page. Loading animation is being processing. Wait for few minutes while processing. You can see our Kali Linux is successfully launched. Now you can recover any file data from your PC.